Ever dreamed of a life where the open road meets unparalleled luxury? What if I told you that dream is no longer just a fantasy, but a $2.5 million reality? Today, we are pulling back the curtain on the absolute pinnacle of road travel, the 2026 luxury motorhome. This isn't just a vehicle, it's a rolling masterpiece, a statement of freedom and elegance that redefines what it means to explore the world. Imagine waking up to the majestic Rockies one morning and the serene Pacific coast the next, all without ever leaving the comfort of your five-star sanctuary. As this stunning machine glides through breathtaking landscapes, its sleek, aerodynamic lines and flawless, multi-layered paint finish don't just turn heads, they stop traffic. The way the light dances across its surface is a spectacle in itself, hinting at the incredible engineering and design that lies both outside and within. This is more than a motorhome, it's the beginning of your greatest adventure. So buckle up, because we're about to embark on a full tour of what might just be the most incredible home on wheels ever created. Let's start our tour on the outside, where form and function merge into a breathtaking display of modern engineering. The first thing you'll notice is its sheer presence. This motorhome is built on a custom heavy-duty chassis, designed to provide a ride so smooth, you'll forget you're in a vehicle of this size. Beneath the beautiful exterior lies a powerhouse, a state-of-the-art diesel engine that delivers immense torque and surprising efficiency, ensuring you can conquer any mountain pass with confidence. The advanced air-ride suspension system constantly adapts to the road, ironing out bumps and making long journeys feel like a gentle cruise. But the real magic begins when you park. With the touch of a button on a sleek remote, massive power awnings extend silently, creating an incredible outdoor living space. These aren't your typical awnings. They're equipped with integrated LED lighting and wind sensors that automatically retract them in rough weather. And what's an outdoor patio without entertainment? Tucked away in a seamless side compartment is a massive weatherproof television, complete with a high-fidelity sound bar. Imagine watching the big game or your favorite movie under the stars. Storage is often a compromise in RVs, but not here. The underbelly storage bays are cavernous, with slide-out trays that bring all your gear right to you. We're talking enough space for outdoor furniture, grills, sports equipment, and anything else you could possibly need for your extended travels. Every hatch, every handle, every component feels solid and meticulously crafted. This exterior isn't just a protective shell, it's an integral part of the luxury living experience. Now, let's step inside. Prepare to have your expectations completely shattered. The moment the solid air-sealed door glides open and you step onto the heated Italian porcelain tile floors, you know you've entered a different world. The sense of space is astounding, thanks to multiple, deep slide-outs that transform the interior into a residence that feels larger than many city apartments. The living area is a masterclass in interior design. Your eyes are immediately drawn to the custom-made furniture, upholstered in the finest buttery-soft European leather. The sofa and armchairs are not just beautiful, they're ergonomically designed for ultimate comfort, with hidden reclining functions and built-in charging ports. The entire environment is controlled by a sophisticated smart home system. From a central touchscreen panel or your smartphone, you can adjust the multi-zone ambient lighting to create the perfect mood, control the automated window shades for privacy, and fine-tune the climate in every part of the coach. Dominating the front of the living space is an entertainment system that would make any home theater enthusiast jealous. A massive 8K television rises silently from a custom-built console, paired with a surround sound system that delivers crystal-clear, immersive audio. The craftsmanship is evident in every detail, from the hand-finished hardwood cabinetry with its perfect joinery to the plush, custom-woven area rugs that add warmth and texture to the space. This is a living area designed not just for travel, but for living, entertaining, and relaxing in absolute style. From the living area, we move into a kitchen that would be the envy of a professional chef. There are no compromises here. The space is anchored by stunning solid hardwood cabinetry, featuring soft closed doors and drawers that glide with satisfying precision. The countertops are thick slabs of gleaming quartz, providing ample space for meal prep, and they continue up the wall to form a seamless, elegant backsplash. The appliances are all top of the line, residential-sized units. We're talking a full-size French door refrigerator with an ice maker, a convection microwave, an induction cooktop that offers precise temperature control, and even a whisper-quiet dishwasher drawer. No more paper plates on the road. One of the most ingenious features is the dining area. What starts as a cozy dinette for two effortlessly expands with a hidden leaf system to comfortably seat 4 or even 6 guests for a formal dinner. The table itself is a work of art, with intricate wood inlays that match the cabinetry. Storage is brilliantly integrated throughout the kitchen. A massive pull-out pantry provides easy access to all your dry goods, while dedicated drawers are fitted with custom organizers for cutlery, spices, and cookware. There's even a built-in wine cooler to keep your favorite vintages at the perfect temperature. This kitchen isn't an afterthought. It's a central, fully equipped hub designed for creating gourmet meals and unforgettable memories, no matter where your journey takes you. It proves that life on the road doesn't mean sacrificing the joy of cooking and dining in style. Now, let's retreat to the private quarters, starting with the magnificent master suite at the rear of the coach. Passing through a solid wood door that ensures complete privacy, you enter a sanctuary of calm and comfort. The centerpiece is a residential king-size bed, complete with an articulating base that allows you to find the perfect position for reading or watching the television. That is cleverly concealed in the ceiling. The mattress is a premium memory foam model that promises a perfect night's sleep. On either side of the bed, you'll find beautiful nightstands with integrated charging stations and intuitive lighting controls. One of the most breathtaking features is the panoramic window that wraps around the head of the bed, offering stunning, unobstructed views of your surroundings. Imagine waking up to a sunrise over the Grand Canyon from the comfort of your bed. Storage is abundant and intelligently designed. A full wall of cedar-lined wardrobes provides ample space for clothing, while underbed storage and overhead cabinets offer room for everything else. Connected to the master bedroom is an ensuite bathroom that feels more like a private spa. The attention to detail is simply exquisite. The walk-in shower is enormous, lined with floor-to-ceiling porcelain tile and featuring a rainfall showerhead, multiple body jets, and a sleek glass door. The vanity is a statement piece, with dual sinks set into the same quartz countertops found in the kitchen and premium fixtures that feel substantial and luxurious. The backsplash is a beautiful mosaic of iridescent tile that shimmers in the light. Even the toilet is a high-tech model with heated seats and bidet functions. Every element in this master suite and bathroom has been carefully chosen to create a tranquil, 5-star retreat that you can take with you anywhere in the world. So, as the sun sets and paints the sky in hues of orange and purple, casting a warm glow on this magnificent motorhome, it's clear that this is more than just a vehicle. It's the key to a life of ultimate freedom and luxury. We've toured the powerful and sophisticated exterior with its massive outdoor living space. We've marveled at the expansive living area, where smart technology and bespoke furniture create an environment of pure comfort. We've explored the gourmet kitchen, ready for any culinary creation. And we've relaxed in the serene master suite, a private oasis that rivals the finest hotels. The 2026 luxury motorhome is the culmination of decades of engineering and design innovation. It's for the adventurer who refuses to compromise, the traveler who demands the best of both worlds, the untamed beauty of the open road and the refined comfort of a luxury estate. This is the pinnacle of travel, a machine built not just for a journey, but for a lifetime of extraordinary experiences. It's the ultimate road trip, redefined. Thank you so much for joining us on this incredible tour. If you enjoyed this look at the future of luxury travel, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next adventure. Until then, happy travels.